the solution for this example, we're told we've got multiple CSVs. So I'm going to go from file, from a folder. We now need to browse to that folder. So again, we just need to find where we've put the files. You'll see there it is, E, combine and unpivot. I'm going to say OK. When I say OK, you'll see it shows me that in that folder I've got 3 files. So that looks OK. I'm going to say edit. Based on this, I think let's combine them. So I'm going to click the combine button. It goes, it checks, it thinks it's a comma. That looks about right. So for now, that's fine. We're going to say OK. And what it'll now do is combine these. Now what you'll see is it's still a little bit of a mess. There's lots of data. There's division A, there's division B from this spreadsheet or the CSV, there's division C. So what we now need to do is to convert these so that they can be shown as a normalized database. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these top 3 rows. So although you haven't learnt it yet, under home there's an item called remove rows. When I click on it, there's an option saying remove top rows, and in this case we're going to say get rid of the first 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So when I say OK, you'll see we've now got it up here. We now would like these to be headings. So I'm going to go and I'm going to say use first row as headings, and you'll see it's pulled it up. So now we've got those as headings. Now we need to unpivot it. So we want to see all these items in their own, in one column. So you'll see I'm going to go all the way to the end here. And if I hold my shift key down and click, you'll see we've now highlighted all of these columns. And we can now go to transform, unpivot columns. When I click unpivot columns, you'll see it's now done that. Let's just see if it's making sense. And you'll see there's still a bit of cleanup to do, but as you scroll down, you'll start to see there's the turnover for the division, for a month, and the amount. And as you scroll down, you'll start to see all the information come through. And eventually, you'll also see the information for division 2. So there's division 2, same type of thing starts coming through. So you'll see there's turnover, the date, etc. So with a little bit more cleaning up, you could load it, but for now we're just going to load it straight back into Excel. So I'm going to say close and load, and you'll see it's now in here. This obviously needs to be cleaned up a lot more, but it just shows you how you can get it into Excel.